Welcome to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that is optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. This is a live trade. This is a $500 plus account. This is a live trade. This is an account that I'm managing for one of my clients from Europe. He's not having much money, but I just want to manage it like that. Normally, I don't manage accounts less than $10,000. But after he explained to me how he lost his business and how his family is suffering in abject poverty, I feel like, okay, let me just see if I can, grow the account. Now, you see what I'm doing here. I'm just scalping, I'm not trading. If I want to trade as an institution, I'm going to wait for price to come to the areas of institutional values, where institutions are considered to be tradable. Like here is a good area because the swing created the major move than any other swing. The swing from here created the big move that stretch all the way from there down to here. You can't compare that stretch. You can't compare the stretch from here to here with respect to stretch from here to here. You see, this was broken. That's why I'm scalping. This was broken. You see where I put my stop loss? Because price tried to react to that stop loss, it couldn't reach it. You see, in the future, in the past, price reacted, it couldn't reach it. I did not put a stop loss at this week. I placed it some pip above because I know the highest the price can do is to react here, and it's reacting here on the first time. That's why I believe that will be a small sell, because when it reacts, it formed a flag all the way from here. It started creating flag. After a downtrend move, it created a flag and then it reach here and top and retest the previous area of support or demand, and then shoot again and retest it and come near this. It came near this supply here or resistance and drop. But on a third retest towards that resistance, it was broken. That is why this is not a strong zone. It's not institutional, it's retail. That just here is to confuse a lot of traders, because I know a lot of people place stop loss above here. If you are trading as institution and you are placing your stop loss above here, because trading as an institution means you want to hold your trade long. Then if you want to hold your trade long and you place your stop loss here, definitely it will be taken out by this breakout, because you are trading at insignificant or minor area of value. Okay, that's why I'm saying I'm going to wait. If I want to trade as an institutional trader, I'm going to wait for price to come here. I will look for sell, but then I must put my stop loss. Why a lot of people lose is because they don't do this management. They just trade anyhow because they want to make money fast. If you want to make money fast, join drop. In drop, we teach you how to take $1 to $11,000 to millions of dollars and above, depending on your skill. You can take $1 to anything you wish, whether millions or thousands or trillions. I don't want to exaggerate it, but if you know what you are doing, you can use it and become a multi-billionaire. That's what I'm saying. So you can go for the course. The course now is $200. Is the videos and the PDF or the ebook you need to learn it is in store right now. Once you make your payment, once you join, by making your payment, the videos will be forwarded to you and the ebook will be forwarded to you. You start making money as like pro. I get it. Okay, that is by the way. So this area is for scalpers, and as a scalper, you are actually trading at second retest or the first retest. Because anything more than the first and second retest will be a breakout. See what I mean? I'm expecting price to move down from here to here. After it moved down, because as a smart trader who has been trading this type of market for a couple of 5 to 10 years now. I have been trading for so long before I come on YouTube. Are you getting it? So I just want to help the community. So if you are following me, know that you are following a powerful but pro trader. Are you getting it? So it will form at least 3 retests before breakout will happen. It will break because this is a very strong demand zone. It's going to buy. It's going to buy heavily. So if you want to buy, you are buying at this. You actually you're actually buying. Let's pick a rectangle. You're actually buying here. I get it. You're buying at that level. If you even stretch it, it happens. But as a professional trader, you don't need to stretch to the past. No, you look at what is happening and then you view what happened in the past and relate it. You can use your sighting. But if you like, you can stretch it. It works. But normally, if you go into advanced level trading, you don't need to stretch. You use eye to gauge it, because if you stretch it, you are actually trying to depend on what happened in this area, which does not actually hold. It doesn't hold most of the time. It doesn't hold. That this market is selling here does not mean it will sell here. I just did this because I'm scalping. That is sold here does not mean it will sell here. This is a different reaction to other price action in the past. What happened in this part is going to be different from what will happen in this part. And based on potential theory, whatever happened between this point and like the extreme point, between this point and then this point, like when I say extreme, I mean critical point, the maximum and the minimum. Whatever happened in between does not mean it's going to happen between this point and any other point that will react with this point. I get it. So I'm just scalping. If actually I want to trade a real trade that will make huge profit without loss, I'm going to wait for the price to come here, or I'm going to wait for the price to drop here. I will buy. In trading, you look for one direction and not two. You can't be looking for sell and buy at the same time and succeed. You only look for one, and that will make you to make accurate analysis. Looking for one means you are actually trying to determine the resultant direction of the market, despite whatever is happening in the news. Okay, there is no news in synthetic. If it is in Forex, despite the news, despite the other factors, politics and all of that, your aim is to find one direction and not two directions. So for me, currently now, as a scalper, the only direction I think that will hold is sell, because of there is a minor sell there, but it's still risky, but it's actually working. But just think about it. If I want to sell professionally, then I will sell near this zone, simply because there is a very strong supply that push the market down with a very huge amount of distance or kind of pips. I get it. So if I take you now, you will see that this is this was a $500 account, but I think I've been scalping it. I'm not trading it yet. I'm scalping it because you can't trade when there is no opportunity, but you can scalp when there is minor opportunity. Like you can't go institutional trading. You can't be institutional trader, or you can't trade institutionally when there are no major opportunities. You can only trade. You can only trade institutionally when there are opportunities. Why I just do this is because I feel like this market in M1 is going to sell a little bit. Maybe it can sell up to here before it will shoot up to break out to retest the previous supply. Okay. I think this analysis on v25 will give you some insight. But see, I don't know. Why is it that a lot of traders watch a lot of video on YouTube, they still blow their account? what it is there are two ways to succeed in trading. Either you join, like with respect to my business, like with respect to WINFX Trading Channel and every other product related to WINFX Trade. If you want to actually succeed, you either join my VIP signal group or you buy my course so that you get the lifestyle and the discipleship of trading. And what it is if you check down the description of this book, this video, you will see the number of courses I offer. And then if you join my Telegram channel and DM me that you want to join my VIP, I will send you the list of VIP. I have about 3 to 4 VIP groups, each dealing with different type of markets. Then we will be connected to my VIP is the best in the world. And what it is a lot of people are complaining they don't have money, but you will spend small money on a VIP and blow your account on that VIP. Why not spend some good money on a VIP and get what you want? I don't want to spend much time. Thank you for staying up to this point. Bye for now.